Practice uphill parking without a raised curb. Signal to the right, check the rearview mirror, check your right blind spot, get close to the edge of the road, and stop. Apply your parking brake, place the gear selector to park, and because it's uphill parking without a raised curb, as in this case, no curb, you turn the steering wheel 1 revolution to the right. Then cancel your signal. Now you're leaving. Turn the steering wheel 1 revolution to the left to straighten the wheels. Then get rid of your parking brake. Place the gear selector to drive. Signal to the left. Check the rear view mirror, left outside mirror, and the left blind spot. Leave if it's safe to do so. That's it. You're done. Cancel your signal.